April 4th, year 2018, continued. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, you are learning much as you move forward as seekers of truth. I was with the two of you today as you ruminated over the fruits of the Spirit. You saw firsthand how difficult it can be to develop those characteristics which are of the divine. Man's emotions react to that which is of the material plane, and as such, man has been conditioned to react to what he has become accustomed to. You might say, man then becomes that to which he has become accustomed to. Yes, you are thinking of automatic response. When you seek that which is of the spiritual, you must not respond to those emotions which restrict your ability to exercise your higher consciousness. This is, as you are seeing, not so easily done. To have knowledge of and to know how to exercise this knowledge are, of course, two different things altogether. Do not belabor over that which you have stumbled, but rather labor over that which you have learned as a result. Today was very fortuitous for the two of you. Fortuitous, as defined by Webster, means unexpected and timely. As in many of the lessons I am teaching you, this was not by chance or coincidental. I wanted you to see what it means to truly exercise your higher consciousness. How can you truly learn how to exercise your higher consciousness if you have not practiced that which is necessary in order to do so? Discipline and, yes, self-restraint are necessary. You will experience that which each of you needs in order to overcome those emotions which create barriers to your higher self. When you experience turmoil as a result of your base emotions, consciously seek that which is of the divine, not that which is of self and self-interest. Do not ask yourselves, what would Jesus do? Rather ask yourselves, what is your higher consciousness alerting you to? Do you understand? Your higher conscience is connected, is one with the Spirit of God. It is therefore one Spirit. Yes, this is a heightened awareness which opens the conduit to an increased energy, an energy you have not experienced to date. Webster defines energy as the strength and vitality required for sustained physical or mental activity. If you are not ready for what you are about to learn, I would not be guiding you to a higher plane. Trust in me as you embark on this part of your journey, as I am confident you will surpass that which is of human understanding. Be patient with yourselves and each other. You are chosen for these times, and soon you will see the difference. You will see the fruits of your labor. You are now in the throes of learning that which is crucial in order to lead others on a new frontier. This heightened awareness will allow you to transcend into a different way of life for all who desire to be one with my Spirit. Thank you, my daughters, for spending time with me today. Well done, my faithful ones.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 144 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.